Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am reviewing Sodobe Scalper EA for MT4. So this is an MT4 only expert advisor designed specifically for trading gold or XAU USD. According to the developer, the EA is focused on scalping and is intended to operate exclusively on the M1 timeframe. Now, starting here on the MQL5 Marketplace page, we can see that the EA is developed by Nguyen Van Cho. The listed purchase price is 39 US dollars. The current version is 3.1. And it was last updated on October 13th, 2021. The product also comes with 20 activations. Now, looking through the description, the developer presents Sodobe Scalper as a low-risk scalping solution that, and it states that it has been verified using long-term historical data. The marketplace page also makes it clear that the EA is primarily designed for gold, XAU USD, and at the moment, that is the only symbol specifically recommended by the developer. Moving further down the page, we get more details about how the system is structured. The EA uses fixed risk parameters based on the average true range. All right. And according to the description, the default take profit is set at 5 ATR, while the stop loss is set at 8 ATR. So that's already, helping us to have a glimpse of the risk to reward ratio, right? Developer also states that positions may be automatically closed when overbought or oversold conditions are detected. The average holding time provided is approximately 45 minutes per trade, with an average of around 12 trades per month based on the historical testing information shown. As I continue reviewing the settings section, there are several risk management options available. The EA supports automatic lot sizing, and where position size is calculated based on account balance and credit. The developer recommends using 100 US dollars per 0.01 lot as the default low risk configuration, and notes that reducing the value increases risk exposure. There are also ATR related settings that allow traders to adjust the take profit and stop loss multipliers. In addition, the EA includes moving average parameters, which can either be configured automatically through the AI-based settings described by the developer or adjusted manually. Another feature worth noting is the option to avoid trading during the period from December 15th to December 31st. Which the developer explains is intended to avoid unusual market behavior that may occur during the end of the year period. Now, before moving into the backtesting section, the recommended setup includes gold, XAU USD on the M1 time frame, leverage of 1 to 100, minimum deposit of $100, automatic lot sizing enabled, and broker spreads preferably below 20 points, which lower spreads with lower spreads being preferred. So we're just going to move over to the historical testing results right now. When reviewing the historical testing performance, it's important to remember that scalping systems are often very sensitive to execution quality, spread conditions, and market liquidity. In this case, the developer provides statistics based on approximately 10 years of historical testing on gold. And according to the information displayed, the historical analysis shows an average of roughly 12 trades per month, a profit factor of 1.49, and a reported distribution of 68% profitable trades versus 32% losing trades. Okay, but then as I also look at this image provided, what I can see here is testing gold on 1 minute time frame. This is between 2nd January 2020 to 9th September 2021. That's what I have here. Auto settings, fixed lot 0.01, $100 deposits, net profit $124.98, 70.42% win rate. And here we have about 67.88%, win rate 369.43, total net profit, and so on. Let's head over to our strategy tester. Let's see how the Sodobe Scalper behaved on XAU USD on the H1 time frame using the every tick modeling over the past 3 months. All right. So in this case, there was no trade taken. Let's just go to the journal. Okay. So the scalper runs only on the M1 period. That is why no trade was taken. So I'm just changing this to the H1 to the M1. Changed it from H1 to M1. All right. So that is the reason why no trades were taken. Okay. So basically, when reviewing historical testing performance, it is important to remember that scalping systems are very sensitive to, quite a lot of things, including the spread conditions, the execution quality, the market liquidity, and all of that. All right. Since the EA is designed only for M1, if you try, using it on other time frames, it's likely not going to execute any trade, just like we saw right now. But I'm testing it on M1, and in a moment now, we're going to have the results out. Okay. And, we'll just see how it performed over the past 3 months. So here we go. The total net profit was negative 3,071.66. And the 25 trades we are taking, out of which 14 were profitable. That's a 56% win rate. Largest profit was 1,980, largest loss 2,272.65, average profit 772.11, average loss 1,261.93. So that means that the average risk to reward ratio is bad. Let's turn on the visuals as well. Let's see how this EA looks like in action. All right. So looking at the historical chart activity, the trade duration appears consistent with the developer's stated, average holding time. And since the EA uses ATR-based profit and stop loss calculations, the position management visible in the testing results aligns with the risk parameters described in the settings section. The Marketplace page also mentions that the system relies on statistical probability, moving average settings, ATR calculations, and AI-driven parameter selection. Beyond those descriptions, I would avoid drawing conclusions that are not explicitly provided by the developer. I'll still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so that you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions. Testing over several months can often provide a clearer picture than relying solely on published results. As for the results, these should always be viewed as historical backtest results and historical testing performance, not as guarantees of future profitability. Actual results can vary based on risk settings, lot size selection, broker execution quality, spread conditions, slippage, market volatility, and user optimization. Overall, the Sodobe Scalper EA for MT4 is positioned as a goal-focused automated scalping system with ATR-based trade management, automatic lot sizing, and a relatively short-term, short average holding period. The developer provides extensive recommendations regarding setup and risk management, but as always, independent testing remains essential before considering any live deployment. So that's my review of Sodobe Scalper EA for MT4. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more expert advisor reviews and backtesting analysis. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.